No BBs? No, no BBs! There's no BBs in that one, that's why. I was going out and then the rest said no BBs.
He thought you waited for you did. He saw you and you saw him. There was no BBs in the It's a pyro. It was already, yeah, there's BBs too. I didn't see BBs from out. It's a pyro.
I don't know, man. I'll call it. No, don't worry about it, bro. Yeah.
I love your build, man.
Hey, thanks, bro.
This guy's,
huh?
You have a jack?
It's a jack build.
That's
just a simple jack build, yeah. It's a low key, just a rec field one.
Yeah.
I got my other one, it's like hella souped up, but it's a fusion engine.
Yeah.
That one's like for tournaments and shit like that. Go to kill house, go! Go. Yep. How's it going, Ref? How you doing?
I'm just checking out what you guys.
Oh yeah, you know. Thank you.
Got him.
And right there too? Hey, at the window. Right here. He's at the wall. Ah! Go! I see you, bro. Sorry. I love you, bro. Over here, on the right. Got one in the building. Hi. Ah! Yeah, I see you. Yeah. Fuck it. I'm gonna go while he's distracted. I'm gonna get this left side. I got you. There we go. One or two of them. I think that was it. Red, red, red.
There's one up on top.
Yeah, on top, on top. We got one guy watching this hallway, so we're good. Check the hallway. There's like 3 of them, yeah. They got one about to peek. There's 3.
Good job, Joe. We got 3 kills.
Woo, good hit, good hit. What do you think about CQB City's new layout right now?
Kind of garbo.
Kind of garbo. They implemented the speed field. Do you feel like that's going to be an advantage?
Yeah, a little bit.
I mean, we can spawn right here, so we're good.
Oh, we can spawn like right here? Yeah.
Yeah.